Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you through Dhahran Masonic Lodge meeting in number 55 here in Henderson, which is just south of Las Vegas, Nevada. But this particular building is actually Henderson Lodge. It's got a very 70s feel to it. I don't know if it's the awning here, walkway, but it's kind of a good looking building. I want to take you through a little bit and show you a little bit about the lodge room itself and where we're eating, because this is a daylight lodge. More likely most daylight lodges, it'd be in the middle of the day, they have lunch. So I don't go to a lot of daylight lodges, probably because I'm not a member of a daylight lodge back in Columbus, Georgia, but if I ever get back there, I will join a daylight lodge. Most daylight lodges are composed of members from other lodges, and they kind of bring them all together. Some daylight lodges are a little more vibrant and actually do degree work. In fact, this one here does their own degree work, not just courtesy work, but their own degree work. Anyway, come on with us, because you've just entered Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Looks like Mount Moriah is one of the lodges that meets here. This is just inside the front doors. Get your bearings. This door just came in. Gotta sign up. Handicap accessible. Looks like a fireplace in their dining room. You can hear them talking in there. Probably about ready to get something to eat. And here's some of their aprons they have for visitors. They got a security system. Nice. Oh, check out the peephole. Love it. I love peepholes. You just don't see them enough. And they're so easy to install too. I mean, when you cut a hole and this just got a screw up there for it. That's pretty cool. These doors are nice. I will say one thing about these doorknobs are kind of high. A lot higher than I would normally see. I normally see them about here. But it's a high doorknob. And here's the main lodge room. And here we've got, I guess this would be rough ashlar. Interesting. Another one of our staffs. It's like they used to have an area for video, or maybe there's an organ back there. That's what that is up there. There's actually a room up there. You don't see a lot of these. Don't see a lot of those at all. I like the furniture. It's different. Huh. Got his symbols and everything. Let's see if he's got one here. Yeah, nice. Got a level there too. Setting wall. This is this picture shows it as really light. This is actually pretty dark. It's more like that kind of dark. The whole thing is. But as I pull it back, it lightens it up. But the setting wall is nice. That's a nice, good-looking column. It's unusual because it's about the size of the setting wall. Normally I see these are much taller. And that is the smooth ashlar there. Or should I say perfect ashlar? Is what that one there would be. Columns, boy, these look from the 70s. Oh, I just got that. I guess maybe it's just the color. It's kind of that, got that yellow hue to it. Casters across the bottom, lots of casters. How about this? Let there be light. That is their globe. That's cool. I've seen a couple of these in different states. Don't see them very often. Really like it that it's all lit up. In fact, that may take us in here. Preparation room. Nothing else to see in here. Looks like they got a stairwell to the upstairs that I pointed out. How about this painting? It's another oil painting. Nice. That might have been some place that a ruffian might have tried to gain passage. Wink, wink. You might know about that one there. I got some stuff here. Got George Washington over there. It's funny, the last lodge I was here in Vegas, this was actually in the same location. Yeah, I'm glad this lodge is open and they're having meetings. You also have other lodges that meet here. Do you have a Scottish Rite that meets here?
No.
About a York?
There's a York Rite that meets here.
Uh-huh.
There
He's General Secretary.
is Order of the
Eastern Star,
Chapter
okay.
28, Sunrise Chapter meets here. We have, I believe, Sandy Valley Lodge meets here.
Mount Moriah.
Mount
Yeah.
Moriah, Silverport, Dhahran Daylight, King Solomon.
Oh, nice. That's a lot.
Oh, Sandy Valley doesn't meet here? Oh, they meet in Prom.
It's always got the keys over there on that one there, so that's where their secretary or treasurer is going to sit. I noticed this one here was missing. Yikes. They do get wore out when you, especially if you start coping with these things. Sometimes that should be a sun on that one there. He's missing that one there. Like you said, there's several lodges that meet here. Nice set of working tools. Pretty common to see that. Up, down, no, no. Up. Soon everybody will be on board with that. I'm a fan of it pointing up if it's by itself instead of pointing down, but that's fine. It still looks good. It's a very girthy podium there. The master sits behind, and this that chair is in great condition, nice and tall. Eastern Star logo. They got the G lit up. Wonder if they move that. Seen these in different places. This is a nice tapestry. That one we saw that had the small one, kind of like this one here. So this is some of the charters for the different organizations that meet here. So here's the Marshall station. Check out this holder for this baton. Normally they're vertical. Or should I say that normally they're horizontal and not vertical. But that's a bonus there. It's nice. Great, nice touch. Did they get a sound system? Wired for sound, that's always good. I'm trying to hurry here before they start walking in here. We just had lunch, and this is they're about ready to finish up. I do mean lunch because this is a daylight lodge. Like those two. Like that. Is that the redwood? That's cedar, I guess it is. Nice. Oh, look, they got a sheaf of wheat. I don't see any corn. Could be a Vegas thing or Nevada thing, like that. Good looking piece. Good looking piece.
We know we did that recording.
So here's the main room here. I will say one thing about these, the mosaic here. Typically I see these are only a foot wide. These are about 2 feet, large 2 feet square. So this is really good size. You can see they've got the extra plug-ins here for Eastern Star when they do their thing. They plug their lights in and everything. But this does actually open. There's a handheld right there. They can open this up. We've seen that before. Another religious text. Holy Quran, Holy Bible. I will say in the U.S. I've never seen anything in the center other than the Holy Bible. Even if there's a Quran present, it's always the Holy Bible in the center. Individual buttons. Nice. I think I've seen one of those before. Holders, they got 2 down here. Interesting. I don't know. Maybe they post the colors for the American flag or something. They do, and lots of lodges will do that in opening. They'll grab the American flag and bring it to the east or west, I should say, and they'll do the Pledge of Allegiance. I've seen these books here before. Table of Contents. Yep. George Washington. All the President's Men. Try to say all the presidents. Fairly new book compared to some others we've seen. Definitely a great condition. Let me see if this got anything written. See, it's not anything. Sometimes you'll see presented to brother so-and-so, and he'll donate it to the lodge. Maybe after his passing, his wife may donate, so a lot of lodges will actually have a book that was donated by her brother. This one, not so much, but it's definitely Masonic. Really nice altar. This is definitely pictures of the past Grandmasters. I just wanted to show you this in here before I show you the size of their kitchen. Got a good sized kitchen. Everything's relatively new too. This is all one level, so there's no stairs involved in this building. Really like it. Pretty good meal here. Real good meal. Italian meal. This is their dining hall. Like the glass. Great parking too. It's all asphalted down. So this is a really nice building. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's easy to get to. It's not a real busy road directly out front, but it's definitely not too far from busy road. So it's easy to get around. So if you find yourself in Vegas and you want to say, you know what, it's middle of the day, where can I go for a good lunch? Look up this lodge. I had a great lunch here today. Glad I got a chance to stop, and you can visit this beautiful lodge. They meet on the first Thursday of the month, and they have lunch at 11 o'clock, and they have the regular meeting at noon. So come visit these brothers. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me, and they investigate you if you're a Master Mason. Hopefully you'll get investigated. They did me. Well, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on down the road, because you are now leaving the coolest life, Masonic edition. And that ball.
Right? Yeah, we did. We